Alright, so in this video I want to show you how to remove watermark from any video or image using a simple tool. Very simple to use, although there are so many tools for that, but this one is simple. So I want to show you how to do that. So first thing is to go to your Play Store. So when you open your Play Store, you look for Ani Eraser. Ani, A-N-I, then eraser. You see how the thing pop up here, Ani Eraser. So this is the app. This is the app here, this one. So you install it, click on install. Okay, so after installing it, you enable it, then it will open. So when you open it, you see it like this. Very simple. So either you want to use video, you want to remove video, watermark from video or from image, whichever one, but we are concentrating on video. So you click on video objects, you click on allow. So here are my videos. So I will just select one video and remove the watermark. Let me look for a video that has watermark. Okay, so let's select this video. As you can see, there is a watermark here. There's a CapCut watermark here. As you can see it. So what you do, just place this thing there. Just adjust it small. You see it now. So next thing you will do, just click on next. After placing that in there, just click on next. It will remove it. So it's fast because this is a short clip, a short video. So if you have a video like 1 hour, 2 hours, it will take time. You will see it will be counting 1 to 100%. So as you can see, it has cleared the watermark. It's no more there. So you just click on save. You save your video. Now it has been saved to your gallery. So it's as simple as that. Now let me look for another video and do example 2. Okay, so this is example 2. Now let's remove this watermark. As you can see, this one is big. Look at this. This is a watermark from Dreamface. So I generated this image from Dreamface. So let's see how we can remove this watermark. So what you will do is just adjust this thing to this place. Reduce it. Because we don't want it to be obvious, because sometimes after removing it, it will leave some mark there. So when you reduce it like this, just click on next. After placing this on the watermark, just click on next. So it will wipe it once. This is a short clip, that's why it's fast. So it has cleared it, as you can see. Now there is another one here, down here. So we can still do so here. But let's save this thing first. So it will save in your gallery. Now let's bring it back. Let's bring it back and remove that little one, that the small one that we just saw. So as you can see, the first one has been cleared. Now let's place it here again. Bring this thing down here. So click on next. It will wipe it once. As you can see, everything has been cleared. So after editing your video in CapCut or using InShot or KineMaster or any app, whether picture or anything, this is how you can easily remove it. Clear it out, and you enjoy your video. So go ahead and practice it. See you in next class. Remember, after everything, save. Click on save. You see it, save video to camera roll. Don't forget to save. So thank you.